Are you gonna go home to your
I'm
house?
just kidding. I got scheduled
Huh?
about 4 hours.
Come on.
But if it takes 6 hours,
Come
it
on.
takes 6 hours.
You go.
Well, how much
Here you
of the
go.
plant do you think you're gonna need?
Come on.
All of it, or?
I know. Come on. You
That's
wanna
a good
go?
question.
Go on.
Get rid of all this
Bye.
here. There's too much mouth on one side.
Bye-bye.
So all you need to do is reduce that.
What about around her eye area?
The eye, that's basically an all-day job on its own, separate procedure.
You're
Sarah's
so
case
funny.
is a more severe case than we would see.
Go
Nova
on.
Scotia is a fairly small province and the population is about 1 million. So these type of cases are fairly rare.
So you think there could be any kind of complications to this?
Yeah, cuckoo bird.
There's a long list of potential risks to surgery of this nature. And certainly one of the big ones is blood loss.
Goodbye.
I'm
Go eat.
a basket case until it's over. Sarah?